So today's a pretty special day. Today is the day that we're going to test fit this wide body kit on this car. We got our front fender, our rocker, and our rear fender that we're going to test today. Still putting in the spoiler, so we won't get to see that yet, but this is gonna be a huge insight into whether all the 3D scanning, the designing, and everything else that went into it actually pays off, or did I just spend a bunch of time 3D printing expensive trash? Let's find out today. If you missed the earlier episodes, I scanned this entire G37, designed a full custom widebody kit from scratch, then printed test panels so we can eventually recreate everything in carbon fiber to get that ultimate wide body look. And because apparently I enjoy suffering. All right, first thing to start with is the rocker. I designed this entire kit to be based off this rocker panel, so the front and the rear fender are supposed to align off this piece. So in theory, if this works, the whole thing should work. Now this is purely a test fitting because once we start cutting the car, there's just no going back. So for now, tape will hold the fate of this entire build together. As you can see, not a bad fit. We still have some areas to do, and we are a little bit short in the back here, although I don't know if it's going to make a difference, but we're going to measure that. So awesome news, the power went out right when this huge build was about to be finished, and it aired out when it tried to restart. So lucky me, I get to start all over again. This is like 160 hour print that is now 140 hour garbage. Blah. All right, so we're gonna move on to the rear fender. Hopefully this fits as good as the rocker. Fingers crossed. And it does not. So obviously we're gonna have to work on this gas cap, but fitting is not bad at this moment. We got some gaps that we need to work on down here. This is not totally in there, as you see there, so we'll have to work on fixing that. But everything else goes good. The only thing I'm not liking is you see it kind of goes upwards instead of straight back. So I got to work on that a little bit. All right, front fender time. Now this piece was designed to connect right into the rocker. So in theory, this should just click right in. All right, you can see this isn't perfect here. We have a little bit of gap between that fender and the car, so we'll have to correct that in our next edition. All right, finally we get to put this spoiler test fit on the car using the best invention ever, duct tape. Let's see how it fits. And that is actually a pretty impressive fit. We got the small item here that we need to cut out for the camera, which we'll do later, but the backup camera. But this is looking good. Me likey. All right, so the wide body plan worked. Just not how I expected. But now we know what we need to fix.
And so we can start 3D printing again and make these pieces carbon fiber so we can get them on the G37. So we're gonna do some corrections to the rocker, make that fit just perfect, do a little bit of corrections to the front fender, and then make that rear fender even wider to get a little more aggressive. So subscribe and stay tuned because this build is getting serious.